Here I go. I built an electric bike and it is very slow, but it actually works. Like, what the heck? Like, look at that, the battery works. I'm like literally just biking along. It's great. This is a really part of the neighborhood, kind of heading towards out in the country, you know. But yeah, this thing is moving. I mean, only 10 miles an hour, but hey, it's at least doing something. Just, you know, going uphill, I'm testing out the speed. It's going about 9 to 10 miles an hour. Batteries, you know, it's okay. I want to get a different one. I can change, you know, I can turn the power off. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Now I'm about to go straight downhill. Back to the video. See, still moving around. Says it's going at 16 kilometers an hour. I don't know how that translates to miles per hour, but I mean, speed limit says 35 miles an hour, and I know for sure I'm going under that. But yeah, it's cool. No cars around, just biking. It's a nice house. Now I'm about to go uphill. Everything's kind of Halloweenish up here, I guess. That's a nice house. Now I'm going uphill. It's slowing down. You can hear it slowing down. I don't know if we can make it up. I think I'm gonna have to help it out a little bit. But man, this is nice. I can't wait to update I can't wait to get a new battery, see how fast it goes. You know, going from 10 to maybe like 50 miles an hour. That'd be crazy. But yeah, oh wow, that's a cool house. Look at that one. But yeah, now I'm going uphill. I'm gonna see how good it does doing it by itself. So yeah, this is the bike, that's the hill. Going straight uphill. There's a car behind me. Oh, look at that. Nice. There's a nice view. You hear it humming. Having a hard time. Okay, it made it over the hill. That's good, that's good. All right. Now I'm gonna cut the engine. All right, now, okay, so I went down the hill. It's kind of having a hard time filming while also going down the hill. So I kind of had to stop. I'll send a picture. I don't know who I'm making this video for, but it's doing good. It's going fast, as you can see. But yeah, look at that hill coming up. Like, I don't know how well it's gonna do going straight uphill, so we'll see what happens. Yeah, I'm not sure if there are cars on the other side too, but it's doing good, like better than I thought. For the battery, this has I think it's 7.5 let's see if I can show it to you. 7.5 amp hour battery. There's a Jeep coming down the hill. But yeah, the battery itself, it's not bad. It's all the wiring and everything. It's pretty good. Oh, man. Not bad. Not too bad. Okay, see how well it's gonna do. I don't think it's gonna make it. If it doesn't, I'm gonna have to stop the video because this is a hell of steep. It's very steep. Yeah, it's slowing down. Slowing down big time. Yeah, I can't do it. Poor little thing. It can't go up. That's messed up. All right, I don't know what to do, so I'm gonna have to turn around. Oh, I gotta video this. Somebody's like, what the heck? They're on a parachute. Like, that is cool. Look at that. I'm on my bike and I get to see this. This is pretty cool. I'm trying to use, oh my gosh, that was close. Okay, that's better. But they literally just flew over. That's so cool. Man, this is great. I love it. So I got all these bike parts for like probably like, trying to think, under probably 150 bucks off of this really cool site. And this guy makes all these cool battery stuff. And I thought it was really worth it. Okay, there's the guy. He's literally Okay. Gotta turn this back on, but there he is, doing his thing. All right, this is awesome. Electric bike. Get to see the parachute. Look at that. See if I can show you my Black Panther socks. Can you see them? Pretty cool. Man, the sunset is beautiful. Oh, there's the guy. His parachute. He's back. See if I can do a 2x zoom. Alright, let's see. It's not bad. That ain't so bad. Back on the grind. It's doing its thing. This is great.